The fast settlement offer that should make you nervous. If you are watching this, you are probably in that frustrating in-between stage. You got hurt, you are going to appointments, your car might be in the shop, you are missing work or missing sleep, and someone keeps asking the question you cannot answer. So when is this going to be over? Then the insurance company calls and says something that sounds like relief. We can cut you a check this week. And you'd think finally someone is taking this seriously. Here's what I want you to know before you say yes to anything. Fast settlements are usually small settlements. Not always, but usually. Because the insurance company's favorite time to settle your case is before you fully understand your injury, before you finish treatment, and before a doctor can tell you what your future looks like. My name is Doug Burnetti, and I'm the founder of Burnetti PA, and I've been representing Floridians in accident claims for decades. Today, I'm going to walk you through a realistic Florida settlement timeline, what slows cases down, what speeds them up, and the simple choices that protect you from leaving money on the table. The big truth: there is no one timeline. There is a process. Let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. You do not wait for a settlement. You move through a sequence. Even when a case settles without a lawsuit, there are steps you cannot skip if you want a fair result. Here are the 5 stages most Florida accident claims go through. 1. Medical treatment and recovery. 2. Investigation and evidence collection. 3. Demand package and negotiations. 4. Lawsuit and litigation if needed. 5. Settlement paperwork, liens, and payout. Now, I'm going to break each stage down like a roadmap so you can actually predict what happens next. Stage 1, medical treatment and recovery. This is the pace setter. Your medical treatment is the biggest driver of time. Why? Because you usually should not settle until your injuries are stable enough that we can estimate the future cost. If you settle today and later discover you need injections or surgery or long-term therapy, you cannot reopen the case. A settlement is designed to close the file. In Florida car accident cases, there is also a rule that creates urgency right away if PIP insurance applies. Florida statute 627.736 requires initial services and care within 14 days of the motor vehicle accident for PIP medical benefits. That 14-day window affects medical coverage and also affects the credibility of your injury. Insurance companies love gaps in treatment. They argue gaps mean you were really not hurt. So what does stage 1 look like in real time? For minor soft tissue injuries, some people reach a stable point in 4 to 8 weeks. For more involved cases, it can be 3 to 6 months. If you need surgery or you have serious injuries, it can be a year or longer. Here's the key. The more serious the injury, the more important it is not to rush. There's a second Florida timing issue people forget. Your PIP insurer may require written notice as soon as practicable after an accident. And PIP benefits are considered overdue if not paid within 30 days after the insurer is furnished written notice of the covered loss and the amount. Translation: early documentation matters. It keeps benefits moving and it prevents the insurer from claiming confusion later. Okay, stage 2, investigation and evidence collection. The slow part you don't see. While you are focused on healing, a good legal team is building the file that makes settlement possible. This stage includes police report, photos and scene documentation, witness statement, 911 records if relevant, vehicle damage evidence, medical records and billing, any video footage that exists. And here's why it can be slow. Medical records are not instant. Hospitals and providers can take weeks to produce complete records. Billing departments move at their own pace. Some facilities send records in batches. Some send incomplete sets and we have to request them again. If there's a security video, it can disappear fast. That is why quick action matters. The longer you wait to get a lawyer involved, the higher the chance the best evidence is already gone. Typical timing here is 1 to 2 months, and it often overlaps with your medical treatment. Stage 3, the demand package and negotiations, where the waiting game starts. Once your treatment is stable enough and we have the records, we usually prepare a demand package. That package tells a story the insurance company does not want to tell. What happened, why their driver is at fault, what your injuries cost, what your future looks like, what a jury could do with the case. This is where insurance company delay shows up. They may review the demand for weeks. They may ask for more records they already have. They may claim they need more time to evaluate damages. They may lowball you on purpose to see if you will bite. Negotiation timing depends on the insurer and the case value. Some cases resolve in 30 to 60 days after demand. Others take multiple rounds and stretch into 3 to 6 months. And a quick warning, the first offer is not the finish line. It is usually the opening move. Stage 4. If we file a lawsuit, the timeline expands, but leverage often improves. Most cases settle without a trial, but sometimes filing a lawsuit is what forces the insurance to stop playing games. Here is the most important Florida deadline you need to know in 2026. Florida Statute 95.11 lists limitations periods, and it sets a 2-year deadline for an action founded on negligence. It also lists a 2-year deadline for wrongful death actions. So if someone tells you, you can wait, you have plenty of time, be careful. 2 years sounds long until you realize how fast medical treatment, record collection, negotiations, and investigation can eat up months. Once a lawsuit is filed, you enter a structured court process. That usually includes service of the defendant, written discovery, like written questions, depositions, which is where you give sworn testimony, medical examinations that the defense may request, motions, mediation, trial setting if needed. This is where time stretches, not because your lawyer is slow, but because courts have schedules, and the defense often uses delay as a tactic. A lawsuit stage can take 9 to 18 months for many cases. For complex cases, serious injuries, disputed liability, multiple defendants, or trucking cases, it can take 18 months to 3 years. Here is the mindset shift. Filing suit is not, we're going to trial tomorrow. Filing suit is often the pressure that creates a real settlement conversation. This is why I always tell people in the beginning of a case that we take a case planning for trial, knowing that 95+% will settle before trial. But the pressure of planning for trial is what forces cases to resolve fairly. Stage 5, settlement paperwork, liens, and payout. The part everyone underestimates. Even after you agree on a number, you are not holding the check that day. There are releases to sign, settlement documents, sometimes confidentiality terms, sometimes multiple insurers. Then there are liens and bills. Health insurance may have a reimbursement claim. Providers may have balances. PIP may have paid something. These have to be addressed so you do not get chased after the case closes. This is also why you want a law firm that treats settlement as a process, not just a number. Typical payout timing after settlement is reached and documents are signed is often anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks. It can be longer if liens are complicated or records are still being finalized. Why your case might be taking longer than someone else's. Now let's answer the real question you are thinking. Why is my case not moving? Here are the most common reasons in Florida. 1, your medical treatment is still ongoing or your prognosis is unclear. 2, liability is disputed, meaning they blame you or they're blaming a third party. 3, the insurer is stalling to see if you get desperate. 4, there are multiple vehicles, multiple injured people, or limited policy insurance limits. 5, there are multiple defendants like trucking companies, employers, manufacturers, or governmental entities. 6, your records are incomplete or there are gaps in treatment the insurer is attacking. 7, a lawsuit is filed and the court schedule is the bottleneck. One more Florida-specific factor, comparative fault arguments. Florida is a modified comparative negligence state. If the defense can push your fault above 50%, That can threaten your ability to recover anything. That makes the liability investigation more important and sometimes more time-consuming. Realistic Florida timelines, what most people actually experience. Let's put simple ranges on it so you can compare. Simple cases, clear fault, minor injuries, treatment completed, often 3 to 6 months. Moderate cases, longer treatment, higher bills, some negotiation friction, often 6 to 12 months. Complex cases, serious injuries, surgery, disputed fault, commercial defendants, or lawsuit required, often 1 to 3 years. These are not promises, they are patterns. And here is the trade-off. The cases that take longer are often the cases that are worth more because the injury is more serious and the evidence needs to be built properly. How can you help speed up your claim without hurting its value? You cannot control the insurance company's behavior, but you can control the parts the insurers use against you. 1. Get medical care and follow through. No big gaps if you can avoid them. 2. Keep documentation, receipts, mileage to appointments, missed work notes. 3. Do not give recorded statements without legal advice. 4. Tell your lawyer about new providers, new symptoms, and any changes. 5. Stay off social media with anything that can be misinterpreted. 6. Be patient with the process. Rushing usually means discounting your own future. The timeline generally depends on 2 things: injury and resistance. If you want the shortest honest answer, it's this. Your accident claim timeline depends mostly on how long your injury takes to stabilize and how hard the insurance company fights you. You cannot always control the timeline, but you can protect the outcome by not settling before you understand the full cost of what happened to you. And remember, Florida gives you a limited window to file a negligent lawsuit, generally 2 years. Do not wait until the deadline is close to start building a case. Now, if your accident involved a commercial vehicle, a delivery truck, or a semi, there's one reason your settlement might take longer and one reason your case might be worth more. There may be more than one party responsible. That's why you need to watch the next video. Who is liable in a Florida truck accident? The 5 parties you can sue. Because if you miss a liable party, you can miss the coverage that actually pays for your recovery. Go watch that video now. I'll see you over there.